Always on top in Windows PowerToys is a feature that allows users to prioritize certain windows to stay on top of the other applications that they have open. This feature can come in handy when multitasking with multiple windows. To enable Always on Top, ensure that Windows PowerToys is installed on your device. If Windows PowerToys is not installed, you can install it from the Microsoft Store or from the official GitHub page. On the left side of the PowerToys window, select the Windowing and Layouts dropdown, then select Always on Top. On the right side, enable the switch next to Always on Top. Once enabled, when you have a window that you want to stay on top of other windows, hold down the Windows key, the Control key, and the letter T. By default, you'll see a border appear around the window. To increase or decrease the opacity of the window, hold down the Windows key, Control, and press the minus sign to decrease the opacity and the equal sign to increase the opacity. To disable Always on Top, select the window that it is enabled on. Then, hold down the Windows key, the Control key, and the letter T on your keyboard.